problem here is, wife is always telling, she's keep on telling, you are not in a position to listen being a husband. The husband is keep on telling, wife is not in a position to listen. Wife is always telling, please listen me like husband is always telling, first you have to listen me, you have to listen me. The fightings are going to be happen. Just with the word listen only. I don't know, at least one person is going to listen completely opposite person. The problem by default will be gone. The people are lack of this ability, not in a position, not in a position, okay, to become the other people won't likes you because of lack of this ability only. Listen completely, completely. Okay, still you have to, you require to questions, you raise the questions in such a way that they have to explain more and more. That listening capability must be required. You have to encourage the opposite person. Yeah, please talk more like then obviously the opposite person is always going to like you. Listen completely. ఇంకా నా దగ్గర చెప్పడానికి ఇంకేమీ లేదురా బై. Whatever I know, I told everything. That's all from my side. Up to that, you have to listen. If you want, you can cross check in your family. You are not in a position to listen completely your life partner. You are not in a position to listen your kids completely. Lack of that listening capability, n number of problems will come in our life. The kid is always telling, in my house I heard multiple times, మమ్మీ నేను చెప్పేది విను, ఏది నువ్వు చెప్పేది వినేదని ఫ్యాట్. మై సన్ ఎస్పెషally ఎల్డర్ సన్, నో యంగర్ సన్, ఓకే, మమ్మీ లిజన్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్. What I have to listen like my wife, she is going to beat. Multiple times I heard this dialogue. The problem here is listening ability is not there for the people. If you improve that ability, okay, if you improve that ability, then everyone is going to like you.